Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our hot water tank operation. The hot water controls are located inside our bathroom. And inside the bathroom we have a hot water tank panel which has two switches on it and a red indicator. We have an electrical switch and a gas switch. When we're on-grid camping, through our power connection we can turn on the electrical switch and that'll go ahead and heat up our hot water. If we're off-grid camping or boondocking, we can use our gas switch. Potentially you'll hear the pilot light come on, the igniter light the pilot light, and eventually that'll heat up our water through our LP gas tanks. You can use these in combination and would heat the water up faster. Either one by itself will only heat the water up in about 15 to 20 minutes to usable hot water. Now if you turn on the gas and you see this red indicator flicker and go off, that's a good sign. That means it found gas and it ignited the pilot on the hot water tank. If for some reason you hit this switch and that red light comes on and stays on, that means one of three things. Either tanks are turned off, there's no gas in the tanks, or potentially you may have a leak in the tanks. So if the tanks are turned on and you have gas in the tanks and this red light stays on, you may have a leak in your gas line. And that's a red alert to let you know you need to bring in the unit right away and have it repaired. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.